Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is a monthly challenge episode number 6. So let's start it. So this is our challenge and we are going to complete it very easily in Fusion 360. So let's start it. So go to the Fusion 360. So we have come. So first of all, what you do? So like here you have to go to the document settings and you have to change the centimeter to inch. First of all, and do it OK. So after doing OK, go to the top view, then go to this create sketch and select frame and press R, or you can select from here and go to the center circle and make a rectangle of 2.25 this side and press tab and you write here 2 and do it. Okay, so we'll get this type of rectangle. Okay, now go to the home view, press E to extrude and extrude up to 2.5 and do it enter. So we will get this type of 3 models to a rectangle. And in looking this by a dimension photo, we have to create. So let's zoom and see it. Here we have to create this part. See? Okay, so let's create it. So that for that creation, let's go to the create sketch and I am selecting this bottom plane. Okay, then coming upstairs a bit, moving this object by pressing shift and ruler this way and making it zoom to like in this point. Now press R to set a point rectangle and make a rectangle of 0.63 on this side and pressing tab to write here 0.5 and do it enter. When you complete, you will get this type of rectangle and with the same dimension. Okay, we have to create same rectangle from this point. So rectangle and okay, so this way. So here I am writing 0.63, pressing tab 0.5 and I have done. So making dimension shorter. Okay, no mind. So we have to extrude this part. So E to extrude. So like this, and you need to write here minus 0.8 and do it okay. See, we get it. But on other side also we have to make it. For that also it's a very easy way. So I'm using mirror command. You can go to this create and you will get this mirror command, or you can press S and you can search MI and you will get the mirror command. So okay, now we need to go to this pattern type to the feature. Then the object you have to select from this playlist extrude to see and select the plane. I am selecting from the origin Y Z we have to select and you will get this little bit imagination here, and then you have to put all the settings to be default and do it okay. So here we get it. See, simple. I will show you a little bit. See, okay. And now what we have to do, we have to make this part also. So let's create that. For that I'm going to just create to YZ plane and it's like right view, and I'm making this slice this way. See, so I'm making this line and making a line from this to this point and then escaping. For into condition and my condition is this point and this line, so it would merge to this. Then again this point to this line and we will merge it. For here you will see it's became outer. It's a problem. For that I will show you. It is very easy to solve it. For that, what you do? Slide is the build option. Why slide is tick mark and it's not so now slide. Sorry, this line to make very little bit closer to this object. This way to make it. See, make it little bit small triangle. Now you can use this condition, selecting this point and this line, and this point and this line. So you will see here it became here. See, so this is a trick. This is a very easy trick and you can solve this problem. Okay, now to give the dimension, so I am taking this point and this point and giving a dimension of 0.63 and we hit enter. So you check its dimension. Now another dimension from this line to this point of 1.25 and hitting enter. So we get here. Now what do you do? I am unflying this part, so we will get this. Now pressing E to extrude it. Here direction you to select this cinematics. From here to measurement you select this whole length, and here you have to write here 0.8, and now you can do it. We need the operation to be cut. Okay, now you can do it. Okay, see, so by now we have learned how we can complete the monthly challenge easily in this video. Thank you for watching my whole video. If you have any doubt about this model, you can comment me, and thank you for watching. If you like my video, like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye friends.